Hi, Martine here with Rising Women Network, and welcome to Rising Masterclass, your weekly dose of inspiration and practical information to growing your business. As a marketer, promotion is a top concern. No matter what your business or brand is, getting the word out about your offering is crucial. There are several components to successful advertising, from understanding your target demographic to making sure this segment sees your campaign. Advertising on Facebook is an option that is well suited for all sorts of ventures. After all, it's the most widely used social networking platform around. Chances are good that your potential customers are using it. Plus, Facebook offers built-in tools to assist you in monitoring your ads, reaching a specific population segment, and boosting your reach. If this advertising approach is new to you, it's likely that you have questions. So, here's what you need to know about Facebook ads. Let's get started. Facebook ads work. Not only does Facebook have more users than any other social media platform, but it also has a wide variety of users. All of the people from all walks of lives on this platform for many purposes. Some use the site to keep up with friends and family, while others are looking to promote their own ventures. In addition, Facebook is widely used globally, so it's ideal for those with a large international customer base also. Facebook ads have continued to grow over the years, which is a sign that people are having success with this promotional method. Promotional tools are available. Facebook's own onboard promotional tools are a convenient resource for helping you make the most of your advertising strategy. First, however, you must have a strong strategy in mind. Having set goals in mind for what you wish to achieve with your campaign will make it more likely that you will reach your preferred audience and allow you to make a smarter decision about which tool you most benefit you. With Facebook ads, you must boost your posts in order to reach more of your audience. Send people to your website or promote your page if you'd like to improve engagements. Ads can be tested for performance. With Facebook ads, you can analyze your performance of various ads in order to eliminate the ones that are not serving you very well. It's easy to do this by split testing. Much like A/B testing, you can run a few versions of an ad and use the performance data to determine which to continue using. The insight gained from such testing is also beneficial for helping you to determine the direction of future campaigns. If you want to know how similar ads perform, stick with no more than 3 ads with the same content and target demographic. Doing so keeps the sample size manageable and improves the likelihood of reliable results. Ads can be tested for performance. You can also focus on other criteria, such as using the same ad with 2 different audiences to see which one is more receptive to your ad. The important factor is to be aware of your desired results in using the goal to guide your testing. So these are the basics of understanding Facebook ads. You can now see the ways in which this platform is well worth exploring as a means of effective promotion for your business or brand. So take a look at these basic how-to tips for Facebook ads for beginners, and you'll soon be on your way to creating high-performing campaigns. Consider Power Editor, a little known tool that can save you tons of time and frustration if you plan to place a lot of ads. Is Power Editor. It's found in the Ads Manager, and it can allow you to have more control of your advertising. For example, you can manage multiple ads at the same time. Use search filters to manage them easily and import your ads to Excel for reports. Decide on spending limit. When you create a new campaign for your selected objective, you can then decide whether to set a campaign spending limit. This is truly a helpful option for staying on budget. As someone new to Facebook ads, it is also a smart way to begin while exploring different promotional strategies. Develop ad sets. And there are a number of components involved in each ad set you create. Before going into those individually, there are a few things you should know about the creation of ad sets in general. First, be sure to create specific names for each set. It's important to use identifying information that will help you set each apart in the future. You don't want to waste time looking for data on a particular campaign. Also, start with at least 2 ad sets so that you can compare performance. Gaining performance insight from the very beginning will help to set you on a path of successfully determining what works best for your brand. Set budget. The first steps to creating an ad set is to determine your budget. There's a daily limit of $5, but you can choose based on your comfort level. In addition, you also have the option of setting a lifetime budget for your campaign. Here's where you set the length of your campaign as well. Through trials and error, you will soon get a feel of what works better for you. Target your audience. This is where you choose your audience for each ad set. You will find there are a lot of options and you should definitely try a few configurations for testing purposes. Facebook allows you to set general audience parameters based on demographics such as age, location, gender, and language spoken. You can get more specific by looking at behavior, keywords, and interests. But beware of audience behavior chart on the right side of your screen, and try to keep the arrow in the center of the green section in order to achieve optimal target level. You don't want to be too general or too specific when narrowing your target. It's also possible for more advanced users to upload email lists or create similar marketing sets. Determine ad placement. To start, you can simply click automatic. That allows Facebook's algorithm to locate your ad. Choosing your own placement type allows you more control and can save you money. A suggested option is to start with the basics of mobile news feed and desktop news view. Doing so puts your ad where the majority of users are likely to see you. Create your ad. When it's time to finalize your ad, you have a couple of options. You can choose to post that as performed particularly well on your business page to promote, or you can create a new one. When doing when going with a new ad, Facebook can fetch an image from the link that you include, or you can upload a different one. It's possible to choose a video instead of a static image. If you like to add multiple media, go with Facebook's carousel option that allows you to upload up to 5 images. Follow Facebook's image specification recommendations below the uploader for best results. Now, while there are multiple steps to ad creation with Facebook, it's a fairly simple process once you get used to it. So have fun with it. Try different combinations to see what works best for your needs. Are you ready for a higher return on your investment from your Facebook ad? Get ready for this free checklist I created just for you. Um, in this free step-by-step process for Facebook advertising, I cover planning, budgeting, designing and copywriting, scheduling, monitoring, and analyzing. Companies that advertise on Facebook will spend hundreds, even thousands of dollars per month. But how do you know you're spending it effectively? Well, in this checklist, I've outlined the best practices you should follow to maximize your ROI for your Facebook ads. So download this list now and start running your Facebook ad campaign the right way.